fans out there. It's Matt with 5280 Armory. We just got in one of CZ's new P10C 9mm semi-automatic pistols. We've known about this handgun for quite some time, so we're pretty excited to see this one. It's the first chance we've had to interact with one, so let's take a look. The P10C is a polymer frame striker-fired handgun. The C stands for compact. For me, I think I noticed how slender the weapon is. So let's compare it to, say, a Glock 19. So as you can see from the pictures, the P10 and the Glock 19 are about the same in size. The difference really is in the ergonomics. The CZ is a little bit more rounded, a little bit more comfortable in the hand. It also comes with interchangeable back straps, a small, medium, and large. The Glock, for example, does not. You can only add on additional back straps to the Glock. CZ striker fired trigger isn't very curved, but it's not flat either, so I'm going to say it's semi-curved. It also has a trigger safety like most striker fired pistols do. It has about a 1/4 inch of take-up, it breaks cleanly at about 4 to 5 pounds, and as the travel slides, it resets at about a 1/2 inch. Sounds like it's got some pretty good possibilities. The P10 comes with two 15-round mags, 3-dot sights that are low profile and not tritium. It also comes with an electronic target, and nobody does that anymore. We've only covered a handful of the really nice features that this handgun has, but I'm getting pretty anxious to shoot this thing. So let's take it out on the range and let's have a little fun. Well, there you go, folks. Absolutely zero failures to feed, fire, or eject right out of the box. So my crew practically had to peel me off the range before I shot up all my ammo. I really enjoyed shooting the CZ P10 compact pistol. We're going to have this handgun for rent or for sale down here at the shop. So if you're interested, come on down or give us a call. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.